Hello everybody, this is Colin. Welcome to my channel. I hope you enjoyed today's pick and enjoy my analysis. Um, Visit my website, bert.io. Also, today we have a sponsor. It's the Excel token. And Excel token you can earn while you travel. So it's a new travel company. They directly link to cryptocurrency. You can buy and book hotels and flights and travel. They're releasing their token soon, and you'll be able to buy it publicly before it's on the exchanges. Usually when it hits the exchanges, those things pop really hard. In Cash, for example, was selling at 1 penny at a token sell. When it hit Binance, it was at 4 cents. So get in there while you can. And just like to thank them for sponsoring today's video. All right, so let's get started. So the one I'm going to talk to you about today, this one here is I've been in it before, so I'm holding this one right now. I'm just gonna throw that out there. So this one is called AELF. I know it sounds funny. It's like Elf on the Shelf, right? But I think it's got a lot of potential. So let's zoom in here a little bit. Here we are in Trading View. You can see it's having, a little pop on Trading View. I'm going to zoom in on the 15-minute. Let's see how it's doing. Wow. I hope you guys brought your magnifying glasses. All right. We're going to switch over to Binance. I like their charts, and I think they're more than capable of doing what we want to do. Really like their charts here. Okay, so here you can see today. You can see this is the 15-minute. So we're going to zoom out a little bit. I want you to see some more potential. You can see this one. So this is since 3/12. Today's 3/16. This is the weekly chart basically. Here you are looking at it. It started at 9 cents, or I'm guesstimating 87.29, and it's dropped all the way down to 70.52. This is the lowest this token's been in a long time. And one of the things I wanted to point out about this is that this token has a strong backing. Something that happens to ICOs. Unfortunately, these guys made a really big goal. They set some really big goals. And people were really excited about it. And they haven't announced anything in a while. So people get a little scared. But you know what? That's where you make your money. So let's zoom out. And I'm going to go back to the daily again. But we're going to zoom in just a little bit. So I remember playing with this one around here. I wasn't in at 9 cents, but around when it's hitting 22, I was in the green bars last time. And one of the reasons why it went so big, this company is being ran with the same people who ran Ripple. When I say that, Michael Arrington, he joined the team right around this big green spike, or probably a little way back. But he was big on Ripple. He's a co-founder of TechCrunch. So I mean, it's a big project. It's going to more of a long-term investment potential. But if you've seen Ripple and how it moved, if these are the same guys, same people trying to make waves and get that market capital up, you could see this easily hitting $100 one day. I mean, I know it sounds crazy, but if you held this for a year or two, I would not be surprised if they start delivering what they say. So they have a timeline and a roadmap, and all we need are a few good tweets. I haven't been watching today. I've been very busy, so go out and check Twitter. Look at some of the social media. News trumps charts, but I'm telling you, this chart has been in a bearish trend, and I think, just looking at it, you can see some other green spikes. All these green spikes are on low volume. The thing that hits me today is this green bar. This green bar is big. It looks like a reversal. And if you're talking about Bollinger Bands on the daily, you could easily see this hitting a 13. So let's just say tomorrow we start getting some action. This volume, this green spike, we're right at 900 Bitcoin today. That's the volume. All right. It hasn't seen that volume in a long time. And I say a long time, a long time in the crypto world is a few minutes. But I'm talking about February 1st. We haven't seen that much volume since that period of time. So over 30 days, almost a month and a half, and this one's only been out there for 3 months. So I can sense a reversal. I think it's gonna come back. Michael Arrington's not gonna want to lose his money. They're gonna be pumping out some results. They just hired some new people. So I'm looking for 13 or 14 if the volume continues. All right, volume is big on this. So if you've seen in cash of the day having 20,000 volume. Lately, this has been at 90 BTC a day, and we're seeing 10 times the volume. So it looks like it's found a bottom. Possibly could be a whale of a buyer just jumped in. Let's zoom in a little bit and look at the smaller, look a little closer. So I was at lunch and I watched it hit 8,300. Wasn't scared. I bought back in. I bought in around 78.30 on the down on this here, while there was blood in the streets, because I think this one's bottomed out, guys. I jumped out of Encash, which was popping super hard, and I got into something more stable. Everything else was falling. This one stayed flat. It managed to drop on low volume, but it's hit a reversal. You can see all this volume here underneath. So there's been a lot of activity, possibly some news. We'll be hearing more. So that's what I want to share with you today was AELF. Their team is in China. I've been to Shanghai. They've got their great technology area in the world. These people, they study hard at school. But I've seen them. They went out to South Korea. They've done some announcements. They went to some user groups for blockchain. They've been talking about their product a little more. They recently went and met Michael Arrington in San Jose. So I think it's a cool product. I think we could easily see double here. But I'm talking long term. Close your app and come back in a year. If they start releasing some results, you could see some good money. Anyways, short term, I still think it looks good. I think it's bottomed out. Let's go back again a little farther. I apologize for the repeats, but I'm only going to do one coin today, so we're going to talk about it a little more. The main thing here I want to see, if I zoom out, I'm going to go back to the hourly. I seen it earlier hitting this chart. So on the hourly, I'm watching to see that it stays above 7,700. If it does that, it's still in an uptrend, right, guys? So we're finding support right around here. And yeah, keep going up. Then it's looking very bullish. And I really like this volume. We could scroll down back to February, and we start seeing volume like that. This thing's going to take off. You can see it went from 5 to 10 in a heartbeat. What was this? Not even a day. I lost it. All right. Well, the force is not with this video today, but we're gonna go back and again, this is kind of high level. You can see how low it's went in March. I really think it's found a bottom. So enjoy today's call. I'm in it myself, and I'm expecting it to go up and stay up while there's blood in the streets. So I enjoy. Listen in for more. You'll be hearing more about Excel token after I hear more about the technology. I'll share everything I know with you guys. And something about Excel token, they're one of the few decentralized companies that I've seen that actually has a product. They already have a product out there and it's already working. People are booking flights on the system, so it's a pretty safe buy. The app already is existing. People are purchasing flights on it. So they're selling their tokens soon. And if it's anything like these others, some of the others that haven't even had products, they're going out to the exchanges and they're seeing 4 or 5 times sales price on day one. So I don't know how long they'll be on sale, We'll keep you informed. Enjoy, everybody.